Our lovely viewers, I am your host Rose, and today we are at a very nice, interesting shop, and the shop is Beulah Sound. Yes, and today we have very interesting instruments, sound systems that we're going to look into. And before I say many other things, tuko na mwenyeji, nataka ajiintroduce, atuambie tuko wapi, atuambie shop, etc.
Yeah, my name is Andrew Oswago, sound engineer, and I also sell sound equipment. We are situated here at Luthuli Avenue. One of our shops is at Munyu Road. The other one is at the junction of Luthuli Avenue and River Road.
So
yes.
What do you deal with here?
We deal with public address system.
Oh, okay.
Basically, we sell things like mixers, professional console mixers, powered mixers.
Wait, okay. So what's the difference? You're saying this is powered, you're saying this is console?
It's very broad.
Okay.
When we talk of console, it is such that it's plain mixer.
Okay.
It's a plain mixer.
Okay.
You need a power in order for it to be active, to work.
Okay.
But this one is a powered mixer. It means it has an inbuilt power amplifier.
Okay.
So this one without the power amp, you're good to go.
Okay.
Yeah, so these ones are for small churches, beginning churches.
Okay.
And of course, things to do with our corporate meetings, small corporate meetings, or just beginning churches. 50 persons and below, you are good to go with powered mixer. We're talking of maybe 150, 100, 150, and good sound. Now you get into power amp levels. So we also have power amp, many very many varieties of power amps. All these are power amps. So we have varieties of power amps. We have equalizers. We have what we call power sequence controllers, and of course, as you can see, we also have studio equipment. In sound reflection, absorbing wall. You can also call it a soundproof. Inakaa hivi mount.
Yeah, wasanii sana. So all this.
So we also install studios.
Okay.
We install clubs. We install churches. Yes. The good thing about us is when you bought from us, we come into your place. We equip your sound technician with the basic knowledge about sound. We don't just sell and leave you. We come to your church or your club or wherever place it is and give know-how, basic knowledge about sound equipment and how to handle them. Tunawasomesha kutumia vyombo vipasha sauti.
So warranty ama hiyo ni?
Absolutely, we give you warranty of 1 year. Once you purchase from us, our product is still our own until after the warranty lapses. That is when it's now in your hands. So within the 1 year period, tutakuwa tunakuja, we come, we service them, we make sure that we teach you, we give you know-how, because unapata pia handlers of sound public address system, in many occasions unapata they are changed. Unapata the one that was here before is no longer there, so we normally come, do frequent teachings to the person that is handling them at that moment that we will come. Yes.
So now there's something that you said, this is console, this is inbuilt.
Absolutely.
Is there a price range?
Yeah, there is. There are various price range depending on the channels. We have got, for example, 4 channels, such a small one, 4 channels, up to more than this is 18 channel, but we have up to 24 channels. We have up to 32 channels. We have so many.
And how much is this now?
For example, this one is only 170,000.
Only.
Yeah.
Wow.
These are PV, console, digital.
So this you have to buy with
a power amplifier.
Yes. So how much is the power amplifier?
Depends. They depend with the speakers that you want to drive. For amplifier, you buy in accordance to the load. So it depends how many subs you want to put. It depends how many full ranges, how many mid ranges, monitors, and so on and so forth. Yes. So when it comes to that level, we educate the client before he purchases.
So how much is this?
This will be 45,000.
45,000.
Very, very nice 18 BLS, 18 channel BLS console mixer.
That's a big difference because both are consoles, but this one is 180 something and this is 40 something. So why is there such a big difference?
The difference it depends with the features that this one has got against this other one. Yes. For instance, this is a semi-digital mixer. Yeah, you can do your parametric settings. With this, you only have the graphic settings that you can handle. The parametric are already established. But with this, it gives you a big boardroom that you can control your parametric settings even before you do the graphics. And again, there are so many auxiliaries. For example, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 auxiliaries plus 4 loops outputs, looping outputs. So those ones are some of the features that makes the difference.
Okay. And so we have done the mixers. What else do you have for us? I can see there are microphones.
Before we get into that, we have got this amazing microphone. It's called BLS.
It's a microphone, yeah?
Yeah, this is a microphone such that is used for interviews like the one we are doing right now.
Oh, okay.
So,
interesting.
In the Bell microphone, you connect it to the camera. Yes, and of course there is a receiver, there's a transmitter. Yeah, so we have, this one is only 20,000.
20,000.
Yes.
1 year warranty.
1 year warranty.
Is this, I know there are different lapel microphones. Do you just have this type or?
We've got varieties. We've got BLS is our brand. We've got Sennheiser. We've got Yamaha. So on and so forth.
Oh, BLS means you will have manufactured it.
Absolutely.
Wow. Okay. Ungesema hiyo mwanzo kwa intro. So there are some of those
items.
Yes, items
are our own branded items. Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Such as a very amazing microphone, inaitwa BLS microphone.
Okay.
It's also a nice one. This one goes up to a range of 400 meters away. It is very, very, very nice. It has a super cardioid polar pattern. It is amazing. It's amazing.
This is not your brand.
Absolutely.
As you came and bought your microphone.
Yes.
Wow, that's so nice. Wow. Okay. So there is majorly it's the microphones that you're focusing on, or there are other things that you have.
We've got corded microphones. We've got such Yamaha console mixers.
For BLS.
This is Yamaha. For BLS, we've got, this is BLS by the way. This is BLS.
Wow, yes, absolutely.
So BLS, we've got 14 channels, 18 channels, and 10 channel mixers. We are currently working on a 24 channel. It is under production. It should be here in the next 2 months' time.
So with your product, your brand, what has been the review that you've been getting?
It is amazing. Actually, the good thing about our brands and our products is that often we've got the issues of clients returning products after purchasing. They realize it has this and that, but with our products, for a span of 2 years since we began production, none of our product has ever come back to the shop. Yes, so they're amazing. And besides, we give you a warranty. We come to your church or wherever the place is, club or whatever it is, and we service them. We make sure that they are up to the task. And the clients are happy. The feedback is awesome.
Oh wow. I can see you have guitars.
Yes, absolutely. We have got guitars. Tuko na studio keyboards. This is a Lesis studio keyboard, 61 keys with drum pads. We've got Behringer keyboards. We've also got Sennheiser microphone up there. We've got Max microphone. Yes. We've got keyboards, Yamaha keyboards, and so on and so forth.
All of them have a different type.
Yes.
You can tell us like both.
This is a Lesis with drum pad keyboard. Originally, it is costing 60,000, but currently we've got a waiver on this. We are giving up to 15,000 Kenya shillings discount.
Wow.
So we are giving it at 45,000.
That's a good sale.
Yes.
Sale. Hiyo tutaiweka na exclamation mark on our website. And what is it?
There is a microphone still. Here this is called a Sennheiser corded microphone.
Why is it so specially packaged?
Yeah, because it is special in itself.
Can it work without the cable?
No, this is a corded microphone.
Okay.
The good unique thing about it is its polar pattern. This one is also super carried. You can use it with, while preaching, while singing, and the receiving. It receives sound very nicely.
Does it? That sometimes like we would want to have like cables that are not so out there and equip visible like.
We can customize your cables according to your demands.
Oh.
Normally, we also customize cables.
Okay. So how much does this cover?
This is 3,800.
Na inakuja tu hivyo kwenye main package. Ili BLS.
No, this is Sennheiser.
Okay. Sawa. And then we have the speakers.
Yes, and we have the speakers. Speakers we've measured on SoundKing, Nexo, QSC, and JBL, and also called JBL Electro Voice.
Oh, JBL.
JBL, Electro Voice, Nexo, and of course SoundKing.
Is that like the ones that are being used in the club and the ones that are being used in church?
It is not majorly like the key difference between that which is being used in the club and the church. The difference comes with what the client needs.
Okay.
The kind of sound the clients want to achieve is what will determine the kind of speaker that we put for them.
Okay. So what's the price range?
The price range where the speaker is between 15,000 up to 80,000 shillings, depending on the magnet size and the type of the speaker, whether it's a full range, it's a mid range. Yes.
And with the brands, is that badly, like in terms of price?
Absolutely. Yeah, even in brand, you might find that we have Nexo. Like I have two types of Nexo 12 inches, whereas one we are selling at 19,000 right now. The other one we are selling as 30,000. So the difference on the price range is determined by the size of the magnet. We've got 190 millimeters magnet. We have another one that is 220 millimeters magnet. So this one brings, or rather causes the full price range.
Okay. So I can see there's a drum here. Is this just to show? It just comes by itself?
Yeah, you can buy a snare drum by itself, or you can buy a full drum set.
Can we get a full drum set? Oh wow,
full drum
yeah,
sets. Yeah, full drum set.
And how much?
Full drum set PV is 58,000. PV is just a brand. It's a model. It's a brand. Yes.
So this comes all something as it is.
Yes. All something as it is.
Okay. Wow. Higher. I've seen generators.
Generators. Yeah, tuko nazo.
Jamani. Kitu yoyote sound na stima iko hapa.
Kuja hapo nachukua power na sauti.
Na sauti.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much are your prices?
Generators price range are from 15,000 up to 200 and over 200,000, depending on the size and the appliances that you want to use. The load. Yeah. So the home generator, if you don't want to the hassle of switching on the generator when the power is off, we've got automated generators that senses immediately the power is off, automatically turns on. Yes. So that one begins from 170,000 onwards, depending also on the load someone has. Whether it's a residential or it's a hotel. Yes.
I have seen these lights.
These are called park and lights.
Park and what?
Park and lights.
Park and lights.
Yes, they're used to design maybe church altars, clubs.
Okay, just to bring that gist.
Yeah, to bring that taste.
Okay, and how much do they go for?
This one ranges from 10, 14, 18, 20 up to 70,000 depending on the type of the light.
Like this specific one?
This specific one is 10. This one is 15,000.
15,000?
Yes.
Why? They look similar. What's the difference?
They look similar, but the pattern, the display is different,
Okay.
and also the quality is different.
Okay. Is it a different brand?
They could be a similar brand,
Okay.
but of
But
different
still-
functionality.
Okay. Interesting. Wait. And this inakaa yani italeta makelele proper. This one like it can.
This one is a sub.
Uh-huh.
This one is called a bass speaker.
Okay.
We also sell naked speakers. These are speaker drives. This one is also our own brand. PLS, our own brand. So this one is called PD1852, and we've got PD1850, which is also our brand. Then we've got others such as RCF, we've got such as Sound King, and so on and so forth. So these are speaker drivers, the subs. We insert them in a cabinet for it to give us that good taste of a bass.
That's actually what I wanted to ask. Like, do you install them as
Yes,
is?
we install.
Okay, as they are.
No. We install them on a cabinet. We generate a cabinet.
Like this one.
Yeah, I'll show you a specific, a special cabinet for such.
Oh, okay. And how much does that go for?
This one goes for 38,000. We have another one, PD1850, that goes for 30,000. So
I
they
can
did.
also see there are other.
Yeah, there are other similar ones. So these are 12 inch with variety is 12, 15 inch. Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. So we have seen some instruments, we have seen the mixers, we have seen microphones, vitu ni mingi. But here's the thing, we're not yet done. We're at the second shop at Beulah Sounds, and now we have the honor of Andrew's wife taking us through a few of those things that we have not yet captured. Okay, sawa. Tuambie mwanzo jina yako, chakula wapi, who's this beautiful lady?
Okay, I'm Catherine Midika. I'm a co-director at Beulah Sounds. You're welcome.
Once we're so impressed that you guys are also having your own brand of instruments and sound and everything, that's a big hooray. Congratulations, you guys are doing a good job. So there are a few things we've not captured, like model 8.
Okay. This is a mini Bluetooth speaker. It's used USB, and also you can use it as a radio. Yes.
Oh, as a radio.
Yes. This one goes for 2,000 shillings.
Long lasting.
Long lasting.
Remember, warranty of 1 year.
Warranty of 1 year.
Even
Everything we have a warranty of 1 year. Yes.
Okay, and I see that you guys also have some cables.
Yeah.
Okay. Which kind of cables? Like, for example,
This one is a jack-to-jack cable. Normally, you can use it from mixer to keyboard, or from a mixer to a guitar.
something else was a projector. Like one we have here.
Okay.
So how much is this?
Okay, this is an XK. This one goes for 40.
Okay. Are there different types of projectors?
Okay, we have different types of projectors, but for now we have these ones that are SUK. Also, of course, we have also the new ones.
Does the projector just come with this, or it has something else?
It's just this one and the cable. And the cable.
And the
Power cable, yes.
So like the sheet for, is it usually the screen or no, a bed sheet? However it's going to be viewed, it's
Okay.
on you. Mtu ajipange.
You must have a white background, white. So you adjust the size according to what size you want from the projector.
So the background or the screen is what you separate.
No, when you have the projector and you have a white background, when you connect the projector and everything you want to connect here, it displays on the background.
On the background. Now that's what I'm saying. The background you sort yourself.
You sort yourself.
Oh, venye tu utajipanga.
Si lazima sheet, hata ukiwa na ukuta ya white, ukiwa na sheet,
Oh, bora ione.
bora ione.
Okay. And what are these things that you're looking for?
These are microphone corded ones, and these are tweeters that are used in the screen.
You guys have really, really amazing things, and I've seen your price range is affordable.
Very affordable.
So that's the thing, us as Beyond Deals, we get you the best deals, affordability and value. Not just affordable, but value. So we have to say that you get the value for your money. Okay, so I have been your host, I hope you have enjoyed it so far, and I'm sure you've seen something, especially for the guys who, you know, enjoy sound, they like sound. There's something that you probably want for your home or for your church or for your club, whatever it is, you're sorted. Okay, just go to beyonddeals.co.ke. Until next time, I've been your host Rose. Kwaheri.